Sorry about him. He's new. I'm Governor Marley. Governor Elaine Marley. So, my idol belongs in a museum, eh? Relax, Mr. Threepwood. I know why you're here. Believe me, you're not the first who's tried. Although I have to admit, not many have gotten as far as you have. My lookout told me of your arrival. I've wanted to meet you ever since I heard your fascinating name. Tell me, Guybrush, why do you want to be a pirate? You don't look like one. Your face is too sweet. I see. You're obviously not in the mood for idle chit-chat, are you? I suppose you've got many more exciting things to do. I won't take any more of your time. It was nice meeting you, Mr. Threepwood.